everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys one of the most viral and stunning makeup launch of this season. I am sure you guys have seen it all over the internet by now. It's the Lakmē Rouge Bloom collection. We will go fully in depth how I create a very easy daytime makeup and transform it into a nighttime glam so effortlessly while I take my time to enjoy every sensorial experience of this collection. Let's start. So first, I'm diving into my eye makeup and will be using the Lakmē Rouge Bloom eyeshadow palette. Can we take a moment to appreciate the delicate design on this? This is 18 eyeshadow shades that I personally would wear on so many different occasions, and the pigments of these are outstanding. The colors are definitely vibrant and would totally suit my medium skin tone very well. First, I will go in with an eye primer and it's in the shade Base. This will ensure an intense color payoff as I build on it and will also ensure that the look is long lasting. I will be using the shade Blush as my transition, and you can see how beautiful and rosy it is. And then I'll use the shade Rain, which has a tone of brown that suits my skin tone perfectly well and blends like a dream. For the day, I will keep the look minimal and simple and just use these two transition mattes, and you can see my look is now complete. Simple and easy, but the metallics have my heart, definitely a show stealer. I will be using this for the glam evening look. After my eye look is done, I will move on to the blush. I have been eyeing on this blush since I saw it because of how beautiful and stunning it looks. It's such a gorgeous shade and gives that soft flush of color. I love that it's so easy to work with these products as I can keep building on them depending on whether I want the look to be soft or loud. The blendability, the color, everything is just perfect. You can see the blush has a sheen to it, so it adds that luminous touch. My skin is very textured, but this is not enhancing that at all, but giving it that dewy blushed look. I love it so much. And moving along now, I will be setting my face. So for that, I will be using this amazing Lakmē Rouge Bloom setting powder. It has a beautiful floral couture embossing and it looks so exquisite. This powder is also very lightweight, and after application, it gives that soft filtered touch to the skin. But it also controls my oil while giving the soft airbrush effect. It never feels cakey and sets my makeup for so long and need very minimal touch-ups. Look at how flawless my base looks after using this. And coming to lipsticks, we have two variants, a bullet lipstick and a liquid lipstick. The bullet lipsticks have this delicate embossed floral pattern to it, and it's just so unique and pretty. Can't take my eyes off these. Let's apply a pink nude shade since it's daytime and we want the look to be more natural. It's definitely pigmented but also has the soft matte effect. It gives an intense payout and you can instantly see a blurring effect after application. It's super long lasting as well, which is what I love. Now the Lakmē Rouge Bloom liquid lip also has some stunning shades, and you can apply this since it's so lightweight and it's transfer proof and waterproof as well. So perfect for all day wear. I will be applying this for my night glam look surely. And here's how my makeup looks like. So fresh, perfect for the fall autumn vibes, but also is so wearable since my skin and makeup doesn't feel heavy at all. Now I'll come back and show you guys how you can elevate the same look into a nighttime glam that is a bit bold and intense with just a few touch-ups. After a full day wear, this is how my makeup looks like. It's still looking definitely fresh, but I will be adding a bit of the setting powder in areas I feel like I look a little oily and instantly get that blurring effect. And for the eyes, I will add this amazing metallic shade Enigma, and it's so stunning. Then I will add a bit of a dark shade Power on my outer corners, and my eyes just transform into a gorgeous glam look that easily. For the blush, I will add on a bit more to match with my bold eye, and it's perfect now. See that glow? I'm so happy with how this is turning out. And as I mentioned earlier in the day, I'm so excited to try this liquid lipstick for the night look. It's so lightweight, and this shade Mocha Maiden is perfect for my skin tone. Since I want my makeup to last long, this will be great as it lasts for up to 14 hours and I won't have to do any more touch-ups. And here is my final evening glam look done with just a few steps. It's seriously so easy to use these products. It's great for beginners, and the way they sit on your skin feels like nothing is on at all. With just a few steps, I transform my day look into a glam night look. Let me tell you guys, be ready to receive compliments on your makeup look because this looks absolutely flawless in real life. So don't forget to check out the Lakmē Rouge Bloom collection, and I am sure you guys are going to enjoy it as much as I did. I will leave all the links down in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.